Is your liver function test report showing a raised level of SGOT and SGPT? Are you worried about your raised SGOT, SGPT levels, and are you experiencing some gastric issues that accompany elevated enzyme levels? In today's video, I will share some scientific tips that will help you reduce your raised SGOT and SGPT levels naturally and enhance liver functions. Hello and a very warm good morning to all our viewers. I am Dr. Madhvi Vash and I cordially welcome you to the Bharat Homeopathy YouTube channel. I have extensive clinical knowledge and experience in treating liver disorders and successful patient records. Okay, so now let's come to the main topic, how you can maintain optimal SGOT and SGPT levels. See, SGOT and SGPT are liver enzymes, and the raised level of these enzymes tells us about liver damage. If your SGOT test indicates 8 to 40 units per liter, it means you fall under the normal range. And for SGPT, normal range should be 7 to 56 units per liter. Now, let's discuss the tips that will help you get rid of liver disease naturally. The first tip I am going to share with you is adopting a liver-friendly diet. Diet plays a crucial role in deciding your liver health. What you eat, so shall you become. A liver-friendly diet can lower inflammation and support liver cell repair. You need to cut down on deep-fried and ultra-processed food that put more strain on your liver and worsen the liver disease over time. You should rather focus on the fruits like blueberries, citrus fruits, which are rich in antioxidants that help neutralize free radicals damaging your liver. Dietary fibers found in oats, brown rice, quinoa, and lentils are great for your gut and liver as they help flush out the toxins and detox the liver. You should include more plant-based proteins that are easy to digest. You can consume tofu, lentils, green veggies, soya beans, and low-fat milk. You also need to check on your fat consumption. You need to include healthy fats in your diet like omega-3s. You can consume walnuts, flax seeds, avocado, chia seeds, and basil seeds for healthy fats. Now let's come to the drinks. I know you are fond of caffeinated or soda drinks, plus extra sugars and flavors, but they are actually harming your liver. Alcohol is another culprit for your damaged liver. You can better drink lemon water with a pinch of black pepper and black salt. Then chamomile tea or herbal tea is also a great option for you as it reduces inflammation and brings down liver enzyme levels. Another thing is carrot and beetroot juice. Carrots and beets are great detoxifying veggies for you, as both are rich in potent antioxidants that reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the liver. Now, not only some foods, but you can also add some herbs to your diet. You can consume curcumin, the active compound which is a strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant that may help reduce SGOT and SGPT. Another is silymarin or milk thistle. It helps protect liver cells and supports regeneration. Now, the fourth tip is to make some lifestyle changes. You should focus on maintaining a healthy weight. Obesity is linked to non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, which can elevate enzymes. You should keep yourself engaged in physical exercise for at least 30 minutes a day or a brisk walk for 20 minutes. The fifth tip is to manage stress and get adequate sleep. Stress can affect your liver, potentially causing the damage over time. Yoga, meditation, and deep breathing are methods to cope with the stress and reduce cortisol, which will help detox the liver. Adequate sleep of 7 to 8 hours is crucial as it helps with liver detoxification, which occurs primarily during night time. Well, the last and the sixth step, if your SGOT and SGPT are raised, take a holistic and natural approach to treatment. Yes, a holistic way of treatment can bring great improvement in the altered liver functions and can cure liver disease. Bharat Homeopathy has treated thousands of liver patients with personalized and customized holistic homeopathic treatment. We prescribe medicines based on the constitution and disease condition, which directly act on the root cause of the disease and treat it holistically. Bharat homeopathic medicines are absolutely safe, side effects free and effective, which bring result in the shortest possible time. So if you are worried about your raised SGOT and SGPT levels or any liver disease, then no worries. We are here to help you get over your liver complaints. I hope you found this video helpful. Please like, share and subscribe to the Bharat Homeopathy YouTube channel for more health related videos. Thank you so much.